Hello my friends, welcome to all my new and returning subscribers to my Southern Kitchen, the 304th episode and the third episode of my fall baking series. I'm Ellen, hope all you're doing well. Today's recipe, I'm going to show you how to make some delicious, mouth-watering sweet potato muffins with a brown sugar strudel. And my friends, it is thebomb.com. It's going to be full of sweet potato goodness, and as always, it is so simple and easy to make. That brown sugar strudel on top, divine. And if you're a fan of sweet potato and muffins, you're going to love these delightful goodies. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my sweet potato recipes playlist for more recipes. So grab your muffin liners, your sweet potatoes, and your brown sugar, because we're about to bake some sweet potato muffin magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright my friends, the first thing we're going to do is make the Streusel topping. In my bowl I have 1 cup of all-purpose flour that I whisk, or you can sift it. And we're going to add in 1/3 cup of white sugar, 1/2 cup of packed light brown sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and a pinch of salt, which is 1/8 teaspoon, and 1/2 cup of unsalted butter that I cut. It's nice and cold. And using my pastry cutter, or you can use a fork, I'm just going to cut the butter in until it reaches coarse crumbs. Alright my friends, I'm through making my strudel, and this is what it looked like. Nice coarse crumbs. Alright, that was great. So now we're going to set the strudel aside while we work on the muffin batter. Alright my friends, let's get started on the dry ingredients. In my sifter, I have 3 cups of self-rising flour, and I'll post a link to my homemade self-rising flour down below in the description box. And we're going to add in 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda and 1/2 teaspoon of my homemade pumpkin pie spice. I'll also post a link to that recipe down below in the description box. And then we're going to sift it together. And then we're going to set this aside while we work on the wet ingredients. Alright my friends, in my large bowl I have 2 cups of cooked sweet potatoes that I mashed. We're going to add in 3 jumbo eggs at room temperature, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1.5 cups of white sugar, and 1/2 cup of packed light brown sugar, 1/2 cup of canola oil, and 2/3 cup of orange juice. Orange goes really well with sweet potatoes. Great combination. And we're going to mix everything until it's well incorporated. Alright my friends, now we're going to slowly add the dry ingredients into the wet. Mix this in until it's well combined. Alright my friends, I'm through mixing the muffin batter. Smells amazing. Smells like fall up in this kitchen. Look at that beautiful orange batter. Alright, that looks great. Now we're ready to scoop it into the muffin pan. We're going to scoop the batter into 12 muffin liners. I want to show y'all these cute little fall muffin liners with the little autumn leaves and the pumpkins. Don't they look pretty? Alright. So using my ice cream scoop, I'm just going to scoop the batter 3/4 of the way up. Just like that. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish scooping the batter into my muffin cups, and I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, I'm through pouring the batter into the muffin pan. So now we're going to take our strudel, just going to crumble them right on top. Like so. Alright my friends, now ready to put the muffins in the oven. We're going to put it in the preheated 400-degree oven and we're going to let it bake for about 18 to 22 minutes. Alright, I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, I have taken my sweet potato muffins out of the oven. OMG, it smells amazing up in this kitchen. And look at that strudel on top. Magnificent. Alright, so now I'm going to let the muffins cool for a few minutes and then I'll plate them up. Alright my friends, there you have it. Sweet potato muffins with a brown sugar strudel. Don't they look gorgeous? Alright, now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that beautiful muffin. Look at that texture. Moist. Airy. I love that crunch from the brown sugar strudel. I could taste the pumpkin pie spice and the sweet potatoes. Please give this recipe a try. These would be great for breakfast, brunch. These are scrumptious. This deserves another bite. Sweet potato muffin-licious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And I'll see y'all on my next video. Let's eat.